Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you how to use area and as well as the common controller outside the area. So here we have a controller folder, and here we have a home controller inside in it, and just I want to also use area that we have admin area like that, customer area, and looking like that. So just I want to, when we add any area in the areas folder, then we have a scaffolding readme file like that. So how to use this scaffolding readme file? So you can use endpoints like that. So here we have app.use endpoints and looking like that, and here we have to just add this. You can see now you can use endpoints, and instead of app you can use endpoints and just match with line of code, and inside it you can just place it. So here you can see it's a simple thing you can do. You can use area inside in your endpoints. Okay, so here we have app.use endpoints, and in the inside endpoints you can use areas like a name is areas, area is exist, then controller is home, action is index like that, and the next one is to endpoints dot map controller route, and the name is default and pattern is controller home and index in id. So so now you can see that green squiggly line is removed. So instead of map controller route, then you can use app.use endpoints, and by using the endpoints you have to configure map controller route, and each map controller route has a specific name and the pattern. Area route that is defined, if it is area is exist, then define the controller and action. Okay, so simple, you can define just like controller name, and that is the action name looking like that. So just remove this section, and here we have. Okay, so everything is fine, and if it is area is not exist, then but default controller that is home and index is will run. Okay, so here you can see that just I'm going to add a new controller like grades controller, and there is the empty controller, and the controller name is students controller. Okay, wait for some time. Students controller. So here we have the students controller, and so the name is student and action is index. Okay, so everything is fine. Now just I'm going to add the line of code. After that, there is the students controller. If it is area is exist, and what is the area is actually, area is related to the admin area. Just I want to specify, so just specify here area equals to admin area. So you can see that here we have the admin area, and that so the default file will pick, that is the top to down approach. So the first file, if it is exists the students area, students and index, and the area name is specified in the admin. So the specify that is the students controller. Here we have the admin area. So the default controller that will run, that is on index. You can see, wait for some times, I will run the project and you will see the output. Here we go. And here you can see that the default school project.web.home privacy, it's run. So now you can see that this is the area is exist, then controller is student. So just remove that section. Just I want to pick the particular area by using the line of code. So here we have a endpoints.map area controller route, map area controller routes, then define the name of the area name is admin, and the pattern is admin controller students index action method. Just I'm going to show and run the code. Wait for some times. I will run the code. That is the use endpoints. Endpoints is map area controller route. And here we have the name is admin and area name is also admin and the pattern is admin and slash controller name that is students and action name that is index. And here we go. So this is the default home controller. It will be run if it is home and index is not there. So when we start to students controller, and here we have the admin area. Now just go for the just add view, empty view, index.html, and here we go. And just I want to run it. Now, if you go for the specific area like that, admin and students and index, then you will go for this, okay, without any error. So you can use both area as well as outside of the area in ASP.NET Core.